Okay, let's see how to stop blue screen on Windows. So first, you need to remove all the unnecessary USB drives, printers and other external drives from your computer. Restart your computer and try to if the problem is fixed or not. If it is not, you have to enter the safe mode. To do that, you have to restart your PC while it is booting. You have to interrupt the boot process and again shut down. You have to do this at least 2 to 3 times to enter the Windows recovery environment. Once you are there, you can select troubleshoot option, go to advanced options, choose startup setting, restart option. Once it is restarted, the next menu you have to select 4 key or F4 key to enter safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you can go to start menu and setting. Left side menu, scroll down and come to the Windows update. Tap on update history option. Scroll down, tap on uninstall updates. Select the recent update on your computer, then uninstall button will be appear here. Tap on uninstall. Other than that, you can install the latest version on your computer by just go to Windows Update again. If you post the updates, you can just tap on resume updates to update the recent latest version. And also you can update the drivers also by just right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, choose the second option, choose let me pick from a list and select your driver, tap on next. So do the same thing for all outdated drivers. Then after close this one, you are in the safe mode, please remember that one. Right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, go to startup tab. In the status section, you can see enabled application for each startup. If any application is not necessary for the startup option, just select that one, tap on disable. Once it is done, you can close this one. You need to open command prompt again, type sfc space / scan now, like this, tap on enter. Once it is done, you need to type chkdsk Windows installation file drive C drive --f/r. Hit enter to fix the disk related issues. And once it is done, you can go to search bar, type memory, tap on Windows memory diagnostic, select the restart now and check for problems option. It will restart and find the memory related issues. So finally you can see overheating also issue for the blue screen errors. So you can find it you can use the tool like HW monitor to check GPU, CPU and system temperatures. If you see any unnecessary unnatural temperature in GPU or CPU, you can try to fix that issue. Sometime it could be dust related issues, ventilation failures, kind of things. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video.